After the purpose and subject, we are going to add NAICS code. The NAICS code is an abbreviation for the Statistical Classification of Economic Activities in the European Community and composed of 6 characters. Here, we click the Add NAICS code button, and since our activities are about computer, we write the keyword computer and we click Search button. Here we choose the most suitable one from the 39 records and choose Computer Program. We will enter the capital by clicking the Add Capital button. The minimum capital limit in limited company. We set as 100,000 teraliters. Assuming that the total number of shares is 100 teraliters each, we write 1000 and press Save button. At present, our total capital is 100,000 teraliters. The value of one share is 100 teraliters. The total number of shares is 1000. We have made our capital initiative. The next stage where we will distribute these to the partners is the share phase. Here, we click on the Distribution to a Real Person button. Since the cash capital is 100,000 teraliters, the total number of the shares is 1,000. The paid capital is legally 1 quarter. We write 100,000 quarters equals 25,000 teraliters. If there is a value in the same capital as a commodity, then we are also asked to put a tick on it and make the input on the total value. Then press Save button. After pressing Add, the next phase is the duration of the company. We press Add button. We choose Unlimited because we want to choose Unlimited. The auditor is not intended for limited liability companies, so we are passing the auditor. We are going to the Managers section. We select the Add Manager from the Partners button. Since the system recognizes the person who was previously added as the real partner, the director, the chairman of the board of directors, the authority, the individual, the standalone representative. The next phase is the Represents phase. Here we have a text prepared as our standard. As we do not foresee a change on it, we pass. In the General Assembly, we see the text which is defined as the standard default and prepared in accordance with the We are moving to the next phase, the announcement phase. Standard and default texts written here. The minimum statements, prepared in accordance with the provisions of the commercial law. These are for a limited liability company. We think that is Next menu is the selection of account period. Here, the accounting year of the company begins on the first day of January and ends on the 31st day of December. However, the first fiscal year starts from the date the company is established in the statement. The next stage is the phase of the detection and distribution of the profit, and we don't have anything to add here. Similarly, in the other phases, the terms contained in the provisions of important. In the statutory provisions phase, the provisions of the Turkish Commercial Code shall apply to matters not included in this company contract. We leave the statement without changing the item and we